All right, good evening, everybody. It's Thursday, September 11th, 2025. It is 10:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and this is a video request that Fred had asked me to do. He saw my recent drone video I did near Angrion Metro Station, and he noticed there was lights flashing on the drone, and indeed there was. Now, just wanted to show you, here's the drone, and it does have a light on the back. Right there, it's a really small light, very basic light. But what I decided to do is to go and buy these. These are LED navigation lights, and I'll show you. I have 5 of them total, and the way I do it, I usually put one here, or sorry, I should say, here's the front of the drone. So I usually put one on each arm, basically. So a total of 4, and these are actually quite bright. I'll show you with the light off in a minute, but these lights are very lightweight, so it doesn't really affect the drone at all. They charge via a USB-C charger. You can see there's a plug. There's no battery or anything, so you don't have to worry about changing the battery. If you click the button here, here's the master button, the main button. You press this and you'll see that red light flashing. So it's flashing 4 times, which means it's fully charged. Show you again. And if it was flashing less than 4 times, I would charge it up until the green light came on. You can't see it, but there's a green light there as well. Pretty cool light, and you're going to see here how these work in a moment. I'll show you with the flashlight so you can see exactly where the light is coming from. So if you hold it down, first thing that comes on is a regular white, sort of a stable light. If you press the button again, you got a red light which you can put on, and finally a green light. But there's more to this than simply that. You can change the setting. So if you click it again, you have a beautiful strobe light effect here. Same with the red, same with the green, and then you have this type of strobe effect, white, red, and green. And you also have this one where it alternates between white and red flashing and white and green flashing. And then you have a red and green flashing option, and that brings you back to the stable flash. And to turn it off, you just hold the button down and it shuts off. I'll show you with the flashlight off here so you can see it a bit better. So here's the indicator, battery indicator light right here. So it flashes 4 times, so you know it's fully charged. And now I'm going to turn this on here. So you hold it down, and there's your regular white light. Very bright, sort of like a bicycle light. Not sure how many lumens it is, which is the unit to measure light. Press it again, you got your red light. Press it again, you got your green. Press it again, you got your white strobe, red strobe, green strobe. You have sort of, I call it the beacon light. White, red, green. And you have the white, red strobe, white, green strobe, red, green strobe. And back to the original fixed light. So yeah, these were from Amazon. I think it was $50 for a package of 3, or I think I bought 2 packages of 3 in a single. So I always have at least a spare light. I only put 4 on at a time, sometimes only 1 or 2 even. And it helps the drone be seen from a distance. And it's really cool. You lift it up at nighttime, launch it, you could see it from quite far. And depending on which light you choose, looks like a giant torch or light in the sky. If it's on that fixed white setting, the first one here, imagine this, 4 of these in the sky. And can't film it because I need my phone to fly the drone, but eventually I want to try to film what the actual drone looks like from the ground. But anyways, there it is. So Fred was asking about the lights. So there you have it, Fred. All right, more videos to come.